Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your debit card number using the Chase app. So let's get started. First, open the Chase app and log in to your account. Tap on Statements and Documents in the top right corner. Select Statements to view your recent transactions. Tap on a recent transaction to open the details. You'll see a gray box under Account Summary. Your 16-digit debit card number will be listed there, next to your account number. Important note, always keep your card details private and share them only with trusted sources. And that's it. Now you know how to find your debit card number in the Chase app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.